Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your Adobe Acrobat toolbar feels cluttered, missing tools, or doesn't match the way you work, don't worry. Adobe Acrobat allows you to customize the toolbar by adding, removing, reordering, and hiding tools so your most used features are always within reach. The good news, you can completely personalize the quick action toolbar in just a few clicks. Okay, so few clicks you will be done with this problem. So first thing, open a PDF. Like most toolbar customization opens require an open document, like launch Adobe Acrobat, open any PDF, okay, and activates toolbar editing feature. Okay, so toolbar settings are easier to access when a PDF is open. So open toolbar customization, like locate the quick action toolbar, find the toolbar near the top of the window, click add, remove or reorder tools, select customize toolbar, opens the toolbar editor. It lets you, modify your workspace. Adobe provides a built-in customization dialog for managing toolbar items. Then add tools to the toolbar, like wants quicker access to a feature, open customize toolbar, select a tool from the available list, and click add to toolbar. So it places the tool in your quick action toolbar and it reduces menu navigation. So it's great for frequently used tools like edit, PDF, organize pages, and comment. Okay, so remove unused tools, like to declutter the toolbar, open customize toolbar, select the tool currently displayed, click remove from toolbar. It creates a cleaner interface and it frees up space for important tools. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.